Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to guide you on how to create an account on Tonkeeper wallet to participate in Telegram bots and airdrops. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates. First, we're going to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Tonkeeper wallet. And once you find it, tap to install, wait a few moments for the installation to complete, and when it's done, you can just open the app. So we're waiting until it's finished. Well, it is, so click on open. And right now on the home page, you will see an option create new wallet, and we click on that and you set your password here. After that, you'll be prompted to enable notifications, and I would suggest you to allow to receive updates on all the transactions in your wallet. So I would say go ahead and tap allow. That's right here, enable notifications. So yeah, I just suggest you enable that. And now your wallet is almost ready. There's one more crucial step, and that's copying your wallet recovery phrase. And this private phrase is essential for accessing your wallet and should never be shared with anyone to avoid scams. So you need to tap to copy and securely back it up. And only use your recovery phrase within Tonkeeper, as the support team will never ask for it. So that's one thing you need to know. And after copying your recovery phrase, tap continue to proceed. Enter your password again and you'll receive a 24-word recovery phrase. Write these words down in the given order and then tap check backup to back it up. And I would suggest to make a screenshot of this and put it in a block note or a log note somewhere that no one can access it and that is safe in order to back it up, because you will need it in the future. And that's basically it, guys. You've successfully created a Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.